Josh on Costa Mesa R&D. Well, today we have a Porsche 911 cylinder head here on the bench, and we need to put some seals on. And I don't know if you're like me. In the past, I've used the socket and all kinds of weird things, and of course you wind up destroying the seal. What I did was to take a piece of bar stock, drill a 9mm hole, relieve the center so that the seal goes up in here nice, and then this will fit right over the valve stem just like that. It'll make putting the seal on much, much easier. And then you don't have to worry about the socket messing up the spring or anything else. And this works out just sweet. Anyway, if you'd like for me to make you something like this, or you want to make one yourself, go ahead. John at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.